Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the VANBAR Compressed Air Duster. It is an electric air duster with LED. That means you can see where you have to blow. Really cool. With up to a lot of rounds per minute. 110,000 rounds per minute with 7,600 milliampere hour rechargeable battery. It's cordless air blower for computer keyboards and so many more because it is multifunction. Of course, you can use it to nearly every clean job. The wind power of the cordless air dust blowing force of 1.86 up to 2.510 Z continuously provide high pressure air to remove dust and can produce super strong airflow. It cleans debris and dust from any electronic device. Handy in our home or in the office or in your car. Compared with disposable canned air or compressed air cans, it is more energy efficient and environmentally saving money. The cordless air duster electric device is one-time investment. We can have a permanent air dust electric device here. The air duster has 3-speed wind speeds. We long press the switch for 3 seconds, can switch the device on and off. A short press switch can switch to the 3 wind speeds for different device cleaning options. The steady pure airflow won't hurt our valuable at all. What's more, there are LED lights allowing us to easily clean up dark corners. This brings great inconvenience to our cleaning experience. This cordless air duster has a built-in large capacity of 7,600 milliampere hour. That's a lot, because you can make the job longer with that big battery. This allows the duster to run nearly 25 up to 35 minutes continuously. It comes with an USB-C fast charging cable and fully charged within 4 hours. It can be charged by computer, mobile power, car charger, and an adapter. This electric air blower can clean computer, keyboards, laptops, camera systems, cars, seat, blinds, etc. A thin and long nozzle makes it easier to clean corners or places where a hand cannot reach it. The air duster can even be used in product that needs to be inflated. Inflatable beds, lifeboats, etc. We do not charge when the machine just finished using. The battery temperature maybe is too high. We have to wait 10 minutes to cool down before charging. This is important. It comes in a black color. The size is 6.75 inches to 4 inches to 2.75 inches. The weight is 1.2 pound. We have 3-speed modes. Rounds per minute are 110,000 and the battery capacity 7,600 milliampere hour. The noise is lower than 80 decibel. The material is ABS and PP. The cable length is 31.5 inches and we insert the USB cable into the charging port of the air duster and connect it to a 5-volt 2-ampere USB outlet, such as a USB charger for our mobile phone or an adapter for a laptop or mobile power supply or whatever. In order to shorten the charging time, 5-volt 2 adapter is, of course, the best choice. We will get an electric air duster, an USB cable. We will get 5 nozzles and 3 brushes. That's really cool. When using the pressurized air for air nozzle for an air inflated, the air valve must be opened for rapid air inflation. The pressured air nozzle is really easy to handle. You can use the locked nozzle, as shown now here, for inflate something. Then we have the brush to clean something, of course. And we have long, different shapes of nozzles to reach all corners, to reach all thing you have to blow out. This is the VANBAR multifunction compressed air duster, and it cleans with air, with nothing else. That's really cool because this is good for the nature and good for your pocket because you does not need to have buy any cans anymore with compressed air. That's really cool. And the model is an RR Black model. The manufacturer is VANBAR, and you can use it to clean nearly all things out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.